Days though? Yeah, that one, how many, 2?
Number 0 Fox, continue your descent for runway 31.
Continue descent for runway 31 to 0 Fox.
2 batteries?
4.
4?
Yeah.
0 for Alpha 124.45.
Alright, I want you to show me a slip.
Thank you.
So you're going to use a slip to get you lowered, so don't go so fast, slow down.
120.5, good day.
We're not diving down here like a race course. Level off. Slow yourself down.
Fox Tower 120.5, good day.
Going over to tower to 0 Fox. Allentown Tower to 0 Fox, drive left base 31.
Cirrus 20 Echo Fox, Allentown Tower, wind 3008, gust 17, runway 31, clear to land.
Clear to land 31 to 0 Fox. What do you want me to do?
I want you to level off here, slow it down to 100 knots like you would be on landing. Alright, turn base here. Clear 90 degrees. Go flaps 50. Turn final when necessary. Slow it down to 100 knots. Don't dive down, keep it up. And it's 2 AA's, by the way.
Oh, it's 2 AA's?
Yep.
I could have sworn it was AAA.
Staying up like this is fine. Stay right at 2,000 feet, don't descend. Alright, where's the wind coming from?
It's almost straight down the runway.
But is it
But it's a
left or right?
little bit from the left.
Alright, so when you slip, which way are you going to slip?
So I am going to slip. I'm going to go right rudder and left aileron.
Okay. Alright, so we're at about 2.7. Slow it down a little bit more. Go to flaps 100 here. Alright. You're going to go ahead and work that power complete idle now. Lower the nose. Full right rudder. And then just enough aileron to maintain center line. Right? Just keeping that nose low. There you go. And you're just going to wait until you get just 3 of the whites there. Once we get a red pappy.
Throw me across runway 24, Bravo.
Keep it coming. Keep that full right rudder in. There you go. Very good. Just same thing like a crosswind. Your aileron is the keep center line. Yep. Start to pick up those pappies here shortly as we get back on the glide path. Okay. Alright, there's one red, so start letting out that slip. Add power back in.
500.
And there's 2 red. Now you're back onto where you need to be. Fly down to the ground. There is a little bit of a gust today, so stay around 85 here. Power idle. Bring it down to the ground effect. A little high, get a little lower. A little bit lower. There you go. Now start to hold it there. Back pressure. Hold it. Stay on the rudder. The plane settle. Now on to medium brakes and full aft stick.
Cirrus 0 Echo Foxtrot, stay parking.
We'd like to taxi back to the active for departure to Tango Tango November.
Cirrus Zero Echo Foxtrot, turn right on Alpha and runway 31, taxi via Alpha Bravo.
Right on Alpha. Runway 31, Alpha Bravo to 0 Echo Foxtrot. Would like to do 3,500.
Roger.
It's double A's. Damn it. Alright. Boost pump.
And Cirrus Zero Echo Foxtrot, I do have your departure info. Whenever you're ready to copy.
We'll do a standby. After landing, power levels at 1,000, fuel pump is off, flaps are up, lights, we'll keep them on, there's no pitot heat, and we are lean. And we are clear to taxi, Alpha Bravo, runway 31.
That was a good landing.
You like that one?
I like the flare, yeah. Much better.
Okay.
See?
Okay.
That's what a nose up looks like.
Oh, yeah, that was definitely 100% extra nose up.
It was just about right. Could have used a little more.
Even more? You want more nose up? More nose up?
Maybe I gotta show you what a landing actually is again. We need to land like this. Wow. Not
more,
flat.
More nose up.
Yeah. More nose up than that.
More nose up? You
Yeah.
just want me to hit the tail. That's what you want me to do.
You're not even close to the tail.
Really?
Just about landing normal. A
Really?
little bit more to land normal. Really.
Interesting. And I thought I was too nose up. Too much nose
You
up.
need a little bit more at the end to keep it off the ground because it was still kind of flying. You got a little kind of like, it didn't quite want to settle just yet.
I did put it in the thousands, didn't I?
Yeah, it was good. Looked good. Cutting the power or like getting the ground effect. You flared a little high.
Yeah.
And then you had to let it get lower. Like you want to just get to that low point and then just bleed off the airspeed. As you're bleeding off the airspeed, once it starts to get low enough, then you can really start getting that flare in without any risk of a kind of a balloon or anything like that.